Until recently, plastic windows were considered a landmark of luxury. More demanding people chose frames made of exotic wood. Metal windows were associated with buildings used for services or industrial purposes. Today, they are back in style. Made of steel or brass, they are installed in modern flats, like lofts and classic interiors of vintage type alike. This combination of elegance with modern technological solutions, for example, biometric locking systems. To see how the designer windows, doors and frames of metal are made, we went to Siedlnica in the Lubuskie Voivodeship, where the registered office of Promar Steel is located. So let's go! There we learn that steel frames allow large glazed surfaces because these sections are relatively thin. The longest windows manufactured here were 15 meters long and the highest ones were 7 meters high. Each of such projects is manufactured to a customized order, and it is the design office where the most important part of the entire process takes place. Arrangements may take one day or several months as necessary. During that time, all details are agreed, and when they are approved by the customer, the engineers set production parameters on CNC machines. These machines are used to manufacture detail for customized orders. On the 4-axis machine center, milling, drilling and threading processes are performed. Some elements require bending. Frame and sash sections of black stainless or weathering steel or of brass are used for production in Promar steel. Steel sections can be either hot or cold. The former are equipped with a thermal insert. Apart from them, the warehouse stores thresholds, bars, glazing beads and bend sections. Using the double head saw, the sections are cut to the required length and angle. Everything must be done at a speed adjusted to the material type. Here we can see how a brass section is being cut. Each detail is marked to be easily identified at successive stages. Then the sections are delivered to CNC machines. Here we can see how an opening is milled in a section of brass sash, in which a lock can later be installed. Here a brass window fin is milled. After CNC machining, material must be degreased and rinsed in demineralized water. Now it is transported for welding. Here we see how a door frame is made. Welding of brass requires significant experience. It can only be done in the TIG technology. Here we see how a stainless steel window frame is being welded. The joints are ground and the details are transported for assembling. First, elements of fitting like clips, locks or hinges are screwed to the frame. All actions are registered in the system to efficiently manage the entire process. After windows or doors are checked for correct opening and closing, they are dismantled again and transferred for finish operations. Steel is powdered or wet coated. This second method is preferred by customers from the US. The third method for finishing is the patination process. For example, after oxidation, brass elements have shades of green, brown or purple. The elements prepared this way are transported for the final assembling. A manipulator inserts a pane in the sash and permanently joins with structural silicone sealant. Finally, the sealing is made. And that's it! Metal and steel in a combination that will satisfy even the most demanding customers, mainly from the US and in the UK, but increasingly often Polish architects and individual customers also choose such windows.